Welcome again, viewers, to beautiful Kos town. This is a very important video. Do not deny it. I'll let you know in a second what it's about. We're going to go somewhere that's probably going to interest quite a lot of you, and other people can just watch Kos town. Let's go. How nice it here, look at this. Who needs the Bellagio when you've got the fountains, eh? I'm assuming this must be the bus stop for going to the airport and other places. I hope it is, because tomorrow I'm getting the bus somewhere, hopefully. I need to inquire about it, but there's people with suitcases, so that's always a good sign. It's nice down here. We've got the wee guy playing the accordion, we've got all the old boats here. Beautiful down here, isn't it? Beautiful. But we're going to head down that way. Now, I always get a few comments, Kevin, can you show us different things apart from bars and restaurants, live music and stuff? But I've got to be honest with you, when you come on holiday, most people, it's quite important, where can you find a decent beer for a decent price? I'm going to take you to the cheapest one I found in Kos town, okay? Where can I get a curry? Of course, that's always important for me, isn't it, viewers? And of course, the other one, I'm going to call it the Holy Trinity. The other one is, where can you basically watch the football? What bars have got multiple screens where you can watch the team? If the Premier League's on or the Scottish games are on, you can go in and get a game on. And I was in a bar just there watching some of the games. At the time of filming, Everton and Tottenham fans, what were your goalkeepers doing at these goals? It was unbelievable. So we're going to take you down here anyway. We're not going to any boat trips just now. There's lots of boat trips here. There's Captain Morgan's, look at that. Captain Morgan's. So, hello there. Where are you going? Captain Morgan, 3 island cruise.
No, that's 4 destinations.
4? Okay. Wait, what islands do you go to?
Serimos, Kaliminos, Plati and the Blue Lagoon.
Kaliminos. How long does it take?
It takes 30 minutes to come there.
Okay. And how much?
30 euros with lunch.
Okay, good deal. Alright, thank you. Alright, okay, viewers, pop in and see.
You're welcome on board if you like to see.
Oh, can I show it, yeah? Okay. Yeah, no problem. Let me show it. Thank you, I'll go in and show it a wee minute. Okay, viewers, let's hope I don't fall off this bridge. Oh, it's nice in here, isn't it? Look at this, very fancy inside. Look, I've got some treasure here I found. Okay, so they're just getting it all ready for the next trip. A wee bar up at the back, yeah. Pretty nice, isn't it? Pretty nice. Okay. So pop in, tell the lady that you seen it on YouTube, Captain Morgan. 4 destinations including 3 islands. There we go. Okay viewers, let's continue. So, I'm going to take you down to a couple of places here. Not been in Kos town too much, only been in the past couple of hours. Finding places, but quite a nice place. I think it's going to be even nicer at night. Actually, it's quite quiet during the day. It's starting to liven up a wee bit now, it's about 6 o'clock. A wee shout out, I just met a guy about 20 minutes down the road. He was repping for a restaurant. And I walked by the restaurant and he said, do you want to come in? The Man U game's on, Man U were playing. And I says, I'll come back, Liverpool's on. I'm only going to watch the good teams. I'm only joking, Man U fans, I'm just joking, right? So I says, I'll maybe come back later. So I've done a wee video actually, right? And I was talking about it, making a wee joke, how, yeah, I'm going to come back, Liverpool's on. So I went back in to watch Man U. I love watching any football, even no matter what team you support. I could sit all afternoon and watch Premier League games, Scottish games. I just love football. So I watched the Man U game. It did not end well for Man U. Last minute winner for Brighton. That pub there has got loads of TVs, got 4 or 5. The commentary on the Spurs Everton game, so if you're a Spurs or Everton fan, that might be the place to go. They've got a TV at the back, got the cricket on. They've got a lot of staff, they do a lot of food. So that's a recommendation, definitely for football. Anyway, I was speaking to the guy. No, I went back, right, and I sat down and I got a drink. I didn't speak to the guy when I went back in, and it's another place, got football, a couple of big screens at the back, Flamingo, this place next to it as well. And I was sitting down and the guy came up to me and he says, I know you from Tenerife. And I says, really? And then he told me he works in the winter in Tenerife. He's a rep for the Vegas Grill and the Las Americas and the Golden Mile. So how amazing was that? Of all the places I could pick to go in and the guys I could speak to doing a wee video. I'm sorry I forgot to get your name, give me a comment if you watch this. But I says to him, I'll see you in Tenerife in the winter. I says, yeah, I'll see you in November probably. So there you go. You never know who you're going to meet, viewers. You never know. Right, let's cross over. I'm going to show you a place that covers 2 of the Holy Trinity. in Indians. And a beer for how much? How much do you think a large beer is here? I've done a few videos where I've been finding them for €3, even €2.50. Of course, we went one better, but down here, don't know if it's time limited, maybe I've missed it. It's damn square there, a lot of Dutch there. Check out my Amsterdam videos. Let's hope I don't forget what it is, viewers. And if you're not interested in that stuff, I'm still showing you a beautiful night in Kos Town, and we were on a boat. So there's no complaints in this one, viewers. This is a very important video. Look at the wee cat crossing the road. Oh no! Cat, come on! I can barely move. Do you see it? Oh, okay. Okay, viewers. Look at this. Can I do any better for you? Oh, actually, it's not an Indians. Sorry, I made a mistake there. It's not an Indians. It's a steak restaurant. That'll do me fine. I like a good steak as well. I did have a steak in Bodrum and a restaurant that had the Michelin award. I thought they had a Michelin star, but it was the Michelin award, and it wasn't very good, the steak. It was very, very average. €2 for a large beer in there. How much is a steak? Let's see. Hamburgers $14.90. No, they do Indians. I thought I seen that chicken tikka masala. It must be on the other side. Hello there.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Not bad. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. But it's very hot today.
It's very, very, very hot.
Look at the view.
Oh, it's not too bad. And you have a beer for €2?
Yes.
What type of beer is it?
It's Greek beer.
Greek beer. Zikos. Okay. Perfect. You do Indian food as well?
Sorry?
Do you do Indian food?
Yeah, only chicken tikka masala.
Oh, so it's just the chicken tikka masala?
Yes.
Okay, and you do steaks and everything as well?
Steaks somewhere here. It's various sauces.
Okay, so there's a steak starting from about €22.
Includes the French fries, or the baby potatoes, or the rice.
Oh, okay.
Salads included, and sauce of your liking.
Alright, perfect. So pop in and see the guys. I'll put it on YouTube for you, okay? What's your name?
Yup.
Yup, I'm Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, pop in, see you.
Bye.
And you'll get your beer for €2 with it as well. Thanks.
Bye.
Alright, nice to meet you. Okay, viewers, so there is one dish that does Indians there, chicken tikka masala. Technically that's a Glasgow dish. It was invented in Glasgow, I think. So, there we go. This place is nice here, isn't it? Look, nice here. The wee traditional place here as well. Somebody's advertising Bodrum trips. The public ferry today from Bodrum took forever to get here. It broke down, I had to go on another ferry. Up here. Some nice bars and restaurants. I've done a few videos up there showing you that. So what do you think about that, viewers? How exciting are these videos getting? There's definitely, I'm going to be up for Oscars soon, 100%. Just showed you where you can get a €2 beer, right bang in the centre of Kos Town. As the guy said, look at your view, amazing. And you've got steaks there, and you've got one chicken tikka masala dish. How exciting. Oh look, wee tourist train's coming. It was right, we were saying the guy there, it's so hot here today. I think it's even hotter here than it was in Turkey where I was yesterday, in Bodrum. It feels even hotter. Wee tourist train went by earlier on. To me, it's far too hot to be going on these tourist trains. I don't know if there's any shade inside. Nice wee place here at the end as well. Where I met the guy from Tenerife was further down, so I'm going to see you in November. I'll see you outside the Vegas Grill, which I've heard does really nice steaks. It's owned by the same people on the Chill Out restaurant, I think, as well. Big screen up there as well. It's going to get busy here later on. We're coming back here later probably. Okay, viewers. Viewers, that concludes the Oscar winning tour. What information you got there. We went on to a Captain Morgan boat. I showed you a place that does steaks and one Indian dish. And I showed you a place that does €2 beers. And you've seen a good few places that will show Premier League football and other sports. That is value for money, because the videos are free to watch. Okay, thanks for watching. Do me a wee favour, hit the wee subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Tell anybody who's interested in Kos to watch these videos on YouTube. It could change their life. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.